Welcome to English class, children. Today we are going to see Unit 6 Prose, the Scholar's Mother Tongue book back exercise. We already learned the prose and the D words. Reading is fun. The first one, who came to Akbar's court? Children, please kindly think the lesson what we learned. Who came to Akbar's court? Then you write the answer. Question 2. What did he claim to know? Who came to Akbar's court and what did he claim to know? Think and write. Question 3. How did he challenge everybody? Next, let's talk. Here, you just talk in your home with your mother tongue. Just a joke or the prose what we learn and enjoy it. Next, let's listen. This is a very interesting. This will show your creativity also. Listen to your favorite advertisement on the radio or TV. Repeat it with stress on the words, act, draw and write the advertisement. Usually you all do, I hope. You will act the advertisement. Similarly, you can say the words and draw and write in here, the place given in the book. You can draw and write some words like a slogas like that. Next, say aloud. There are some words given in the box. Ask, bask, like that. You try to say loud and practice these words. Next, we say, I learned my lesson. Here that learned is an action word. But you see here in this line, a learned Pandit came to the court. Here learned here is a describing word. We pronounce it as learned. Id sound. For rhyme with created, waited. Can you hear the id sound? When we pronounce that word, the word is id. It ends with id sound. Similarly, in this exercise, you see, tick the words which end with the sound id. Say each word aloud. You say the words loud and see which word is end with or pronounce id sound and put tick to that box. For example, see accepted, id sound. So you can give tick here. Answered, it is not pronounced id sound. Like that each word you pronounce and see. Next, word building. This is another very interesting and creativity work for you. Make a class dictionary with words from the story. Try to find suitable words for them in your mother tongue. Say these words aloud. Then make sentence with those words in your class dictionary. They are asking to make a dictionary with a prose, the lesson what you have learnt. You can take some of the words and write the words and write the sentence. 2 words they have already given. For them you can write the sentence. Converse, tickle. Like that you can write mother tongue, learned. Like that you can write your own words. What are the words you like? And write the sentence for that also. Next, write all the words that show you happy. For example, hooray, haha, like that. You can write some more words which shows you happy. For example, that's great, hey, like that you can write. Next, tick the right answer. I visited the court of Akbar's means A. You always lived there. B. You came there for a short time. C. You were born there. Think and say, I visited the court of Akbar means you came there for a short time. Next, to imitate someone means copy someone. B. Tease someone. C. Make someone angry. Imitate means what? To copy someone. So think and tick. Look and fill in the columns. Now one has been done for you. Children, carefully you listen here. The word given is quiet and they have done quietly. Similar way, we have to write fluent means fluently. As they have given the example, we have to fill all the columns. Children, have you noticed anything from this? I hope you have all learned adverbs. These words are describing words and these are adverbs. It's a parts of speech. Adverbs are describing or modifies and provides more information about the verb in a sentence. I hope you all learnt in parts of speech. This is the adverbs. Next 5. Match the words in column A with words in column B. First one, king. King. Where will be the king? In a courtiers. Teacher, children. Like that each one we have to match. Next 6th one, play this game with a friend. Pick up what you want from any basket. Add a or an before it. Now say the sentence below using these things. Children, please see here. A and an. By saying this word, you can imagine what they are going to say. It is an article. A we use for the singular number with a sound, constant sound. And for a singular number with a vowel sound. So it is an article. You have to just place. First one I will do for the basket. First basket I will do rug, a pillow, a bedsheet. Everything is a constant. Like that you fill all the other things. You complete this exercise. And using these words from the basket, we have to write the sentence. You have to make more sentence using words from the basket. For example, my favorite fruit is apple. I like to eat ice cream in summer season. Like that, you can take the words from those basket and write the sentence here. Next, let's share. How did Birbal find out about the Pandit's mother tongue? Act this out with your friends and make it into a class play. Children, this is another creativity. You can just act and you can share about this Birbal activity with your mother tongue at home with your parents or sisters or your friends. Next, the truth balloon. Suppose you are going on a camping holiday. What are the 4 most important things you will carry with you? Choose from the tags attached to the hot air balloon. Children, you have to imagine that you are going on a camping holiday. Here some of the text attached to the balloon and out of this you have to find any 4 most important things which you will carry to the camping holiday. For example, toolbox, radio, like that they have given. From this, you have to choose any 4 which is most important for you. For example, I will say, I will take water bottles. Like that, you choose what things you want, what things you have decided. If you decide for going for picnic, what all the ideas, what plan you will take. Like that, you take some 4 tags from here and write in this box. Write in these lines. Next, it's a fun time, crossword fun. It's very interesting and I hope you will enjoy this crossword. India is a country of many languages. Let's see if you know what the people of the states in this crossword puzzle speak. The clues are given below. The first letter of each answer has been filled in for you. Yes, children, here they have given the clues also. Across and downwards clues. They are given the number. According to that, we have to write in these boxes. First one, see, this language is spoken in Orissa. What language is spoken in Orissa? Oriya. So you have to write Oriya, O-R-I-Y-A, Oriya. It's spoken in Karnataka. You see the number 2. You see where is the number? So 2 here. So write what language they speak in Karnataka. Similarly, downwards, the people of Kerala speaks this language. Which language these people speak in Kerala? Malayalam. So you write in Malayalam, you write here. Then this is our national language. Fifth one is the national language. You can write here Hindi. Like that you can write. So fill up this all book activity and complete this. And today's homework, you can write page number 104, the reading is fun, and page number 107, question 4 and 5, and send it. I hope you will understand all this and complete the book exercise.